What are the sectarian texts found in the Dead Sea Scrolls? Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within the ancient scrolls discovered near the Dead Sea? The sectarian texts found among the Dead Sea Scrolls are fascinating manuscripts linked to a specific Jewish group or groups that lived close to Qumran. These texts are not part of the biblical canon but provide a glimpse into the beliefs and practices of their authors. These writings reveal core beliefs that shape the community's identity. One key idea is cosmic dualism, which divides the world into two opposing forces, the sons of light and the sons of darkness. The sons of light are often led by a figure identified as Michael or Melchizedek, while the sons of darkness follow Belial. This division reflects a worldview where good and evil are in constant conflict. Another important belief is predestination. This concept suggests that individuals are predetermined to belong to one of these groups, with no chance of changing their fate. The texts also emphasize purity, linking moral and ritual cleanliness to spiritual integrity. This led to strict rules about how to live a pure life. There are several types of sectarian literature among these scrolls. First, we have religious legal writings. A prime example is the Community Rule, which outlines the community's membership requirements and rules for conduct. It sets clear guidelines for how members should behave and interact. Next, we find biblical commentary. The Pesher Habakkuk is a notable work that interprets biblical prophecies in light of the community's experiences. It connects ancient texts to contemporary events, showing how the community viewed itself in the context of prophecy. Liturgical texts are also present, including the Thanksgiving hymns. These writings express devotion and highlight the community's belief in being a chosen remnant. They reflected the spiritual life and rituals that were central to their identity. Lastly, there are apocalyptic writings, such as the War Scroll. This text describes an anticipated cosmic battle between light and darkness, revealing the community's eschatological expectations and hopes for the future. The discovery of these sectarian texts at Qumran is significant for archaeology. They provide concrete evidence of a unique Jewish sect during the Second Temple period. The content of these texts, combined with archaeological findings like ritual baths and communal dining areas, supports the idea that Qumran was a center for a religious community focused on purity and preparation for the end times. Studying these texts helps archaeologists reconstruct the social and religious dynamics of the time. By comparing the writings with material remains, such as pottery and architecture, researchers can validate theories about daily life and practices. For instance, the emphasis on purity laws in the texts aligns with the many ritual baths found at Qumran. In summary, the sectarian texts of the Dead Sea Scrolls offer a fascinating look into the beliefs and practices of a distinct Jewish community. They reveal a world filled with rich traditions and a unique perspective on spirituality during a pivotal time in history.